Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing part 2 of my PR package with AzureBeauty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So for all of these products, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Please use this link as it helps me out, and I greatly appreciate your support. So today, you guys, I am going to be creating a design with AzureBeauty's Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish set. So this set is very affordable and surprisingly really cool to use. It's on Amazon for about $12. And I think this is definitely a set to check out. It's a 7-piece set. It comes with 4 polishes, a gloss top coat, the magnet, and as well as nail remover. So these polishes have a high gloss shine. After sealing layer is applied, the gloss is improved to be as dazzling as diamonds, as they say on their site. So they have 35% enhanced nail strength, 20% higher glossiness, 80% greater wear and resistance, and it's a novel manicure experience. I definitely believe in that because this is something new to me. I've never seen cat's eye lacquer. And as you've seen in my part 1, it definitely works. So I'm really excited to do this design for you guys. As you saw in part 1, we have different looks from 1 layer to 2 layers. Obviously, you can put more than that. We can also manipulate the cat's eye gel to be in any formation, so that's always great as well. In preparation, you can use the nail polish remover to clean your nail surface. Apply the polish evenly in different layers based on your needs, and then apply the top coat to get the best shiny effect. So now this nail polish remover, guys, is a moisturizing nail polish remover. It does a pre-cleaning before you apply the nail polish. It also removes nail polish itself, and then it also removes gel polish and builder gel, as we saw in the part 1 video. On top of that, it's nourishing, gentle, and non-irritating. And as I did in the first video, I gave it a sniff, and the smell of it wasn't strong at all. So they call this system the 3-2-1 system. It's a vegan nail polish set. From start to finish, it's 3 minutes. You put 2 coats of the nail polish plus one plus a week-long lasting healthier beauty. Okay, so like I said in the first video, it's a 150-degree fan-shaped brush, which allows us to glide the polishes as you are seeing here. I love the glide, especially when it comes to lacquer, because you know, some of them just dry and get clumpy, leave brush strokes, and this was pretty impressive. I did like it. It's beginner friendly. So it's a 2-minute quick dry, high efficiency manicure. We did test that out. It does dry real quick. So you do have to work fast, but at least you know you're not going to have to wait forever to have the nail polish dry. And of course, you're not going to need any extra expensive equipment, no UV or LED lights, and it's safer for your hands. So found within these polishes are essential nutrients including Morocco nut oil, aloe vera extract, vitamin E, and propylene glycol. What you're not going to find in these products are lead, mercury, dibutyl phthalate, and 11 types of phthalate esters, 1 and 2 dichloroethane, chloroform, methylene chloride, formaldehyde, camphor, formaldehyde resin, and ethyl tosylmide. So all in all, a perfect kit to have that you don't have to worry about too many chemicals, as well as being vegan. And on top of that, it's affordable and on the go for people that do not own gel systems or can afford gel systems. On top of that, cat's eye, I always want to say cat's eye gel because that's all I've been using. So there are sometimes things that people can do with gel that you just can't do with lacquer. And sometimes that might be upsetting, especially to those that don't, like I said, don't use gel or have gel. So the fact that they have cat's eye gel in a lacquer is pretty impressive to me. I mean, this is something I'm in awe of. So I feel like, I mean, I could be late in the game with this knowledge, but they're just breaking barriers and opening doors to just everyday polishes, I think. I mean, this should be something that you can get at the store, to be honest, because it's just, the fact that they can do this is amazing. I don't know. Anyway. So let's talk about the design at hand. I did love that number 11. So I used that as the base of my nail design today. So I thought maybe I would do like a French tip with some swooshes to go around through the nail. So I am using number 11 as the base, and then I did the number 10 at the tip, and I did use French stickers to make a nice clean line because I don't have time to draw it out myself, and I'm just a wreck when it comes to drawing French tip lines. So I highly recommend buying French tip stickers. I just got, cheapo ones a long time ago, and I still have them. When I say long, we're talking about maybe 2016, 2017. I don't know. Anyway, and then after I did let each component dry for more than 2 minutes. I went off and did my own thing, and because I had that time to do that. If you're kind of on the go, this design does take a decent amount of time because we're putting layer on layer. But then after I completed that French, I'm going to use, I did use the number 12, and I'm making these swirlies all across the nails. And now I have the number 13, and this is the lighter color cat's eye gel. This actually ended up being my favorite because look at that pop, you guys. There's some sort of reflective glitter in there because it's just so bright when that light hits it. So like I said, I am doing kind of like, if you can think of maybe like a rainbow look where they have the layered colors. So I'm just layering these colors on top of each other, and I only have 2 of them. So I am just going to alternate the colors and make 4 bands for these swirlies, and again, drawing in between. So that's going to be the design. I did want to do some extra detailing, but to be honest, like, it's been so long since I've used lacquer that I didn't want to put gel on top because what if I messed up? How would I remove it without removing the lacquer that I just put on there? So I just left it plain, but I think that the design alone looks really good. So again, check out the link in the description box. It'll take you to Amazon, so you have your returns at ease, delivery at ease. If you have Prime, obviously you're going to get it in 2 or 3 days. So that's kind of the joys of them having a setup on Amazon. They do have their own website as well, by the way. If you're the first time getting an introduction to AzureBeauty, they do other products as well. They do the dip powder system that I know of, and then I think they do have polishes too, but check out the website if you really want to see what else they offer. But yeah, they definitely have an array of stuff that you can look at. I've seen multiple videos of people doing dip, and it looks like a nice beginner system that you're not going to need a lamp for, which is also a great thing. I think this company is keeping regular customers in mind and not like the nail techs or the more advanced gel users, because again, like I said, when I started out in this nail channel, like I had no intentions on doing gel or acrylic or anything really. I thought I was going to stick with just plain lacquer polishes, and where to begin is what came into my mind. And sometimes I felt it was kind of limited, but again, like I said, I'd never seen this before, but I think it's a great idea to have it available to people like me in the past, where I didn't want to involve myself with anything more than lacquer. But anyway, so again, just layering this up. I'm loving the colors. I'm loving the shine of the cat's eye polishes. It's standing out way more than I thought it would. And then these close-ups that I'm doing of the magnets and that color shift, the metallic shift, is just so amazing to watch, because it is really like the cat's eye gel polishes. I'm just, again, I don't know how many times I can say this without saying it, but I'm just amazed, because it does act like cat's eye gel polishes. But as you can see here, like you can see the color difference with the bandings of color, and because I did its own separate like magnet activation here, each line really acts differently. But look at that color shift as it's like being pushed and pulled. I mean, that's exactly how it is in gel, and I think it's so amazing. And you can use the drying aspect to help you, because you can manipulate the metals and get it in place, and when it dries, it'll obviously stay there. So you can work on other parts that you're trying to get that metal to settle in. And in this, after I've let this dry, I am putting that glossy top coat on there just to set it. And it does look super shiny. I am going to wear this, you guys, so it's not just going to be nails. But, oh yeah, and obviously at that top right is the work that I did in the part 1. I especially love the fact that I had used the remover to see how easy it would remove gel polish, and that black nail up there, that's the end result of just 3 minutes. So if I left it any longer, like the standard 15 for gel removal, yeah, that sucker would have come off, and it didn't really affect the soft gel cover tip. So I was pretty amazed by that. Okay, you guys, so this is the end result. Look at that color pop. Each line has its own unique magnetic shift to it. So as I'm rotating the nails and letting the light hit it at certain angles, it's just reflecting off a different shade of color, and it's just amazing. I just cannot believe that this is lacquer. So I am very impressed with AzureBeauty. I honestly thought they only did dip, but yeah. So let's talk about my soft faux fur arm warmer and fingerless mitts. I do have these on my Etsy shop, and I'm adding this color yellow to my list of colors that I offer in these mitts. So I haven't been adding colors lately. I've been super busy, but I just love this color. It's so soft, and I love how it just is accentuating the tips with that yellow. So it's just a slip-on, slip-off. It has a thumb hole, and it's about, obviously, like this long. It's not that long, so it's nice and compactable. You can tuck this away in your drawer and pull it out for photos or what have you. But I love it. It feels like, you know, you want to pet it, but it's not a pet, obviously. And here, you guys, is my doily number 68. This is my new addition to my Etsy shop as well. This is a fairly large one. I mean, the ones that I've been doing lately have been very large. So you can put plates on it. You can display your items on it. I'm going to lay down all the nail polish bottles that I did get from AzureBeauty. I'm just going to rest my hand here so you can see how wonderful that color looks against the gray. I think pinks and grays work so well together, you guys. Like, I don't know. That's just me. And it's just insane how each line is giving off its different pop of color. But yeah, so I'm just going to display these bottles on my doily number 68 just because I can and I think it's pretty. So this is the 11. This is the 10. And out of these two, my favorite is the 11. I do love that color. Here's the number 12. And then this is the 13. I thought I liked I was going to like the 12, but I really like this 13. The color pop on it is just insanity. And then, like I said, it also comes with the nail polish remover that I'll show you guys once I situate myself here. Again, it's nail polish removing, gel and builder gel polish removing, nourishing. It doesn't have a strong odor. And it also comes with a magnet. So that's it, you guys. Check out the link in the description box. It definitely helps me out, and I greatly appreciate your support. Thank you so much, AzureBeauty, for allowing me to try out your products. They are really great in my opinion. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time.